Are you having trouble storing your files on Google Drive or Dropbox? When you have a lot of files, you are surely going to face some problems because there isn't much space on Dropbox or Google Drive. So if you want a solution where you can have a lot of space, as well as you will get a desktop appearance, which means you can drag and drop your files exactly like your computer desktop, I have just the right tool today for you. So hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that you never miss any of our uploads. I'm back with another review, and today I'm going to review Deskfirst. So Deskfirst is an online collaboration tool that offers a very familiar desktop experience when storing your files, and as you can see, it is an alternative to Dropbox and Google Drive. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this tool. You will get dynamic storage, you can customize your branding, there is going to be unlimited data retention, you can invite 100 members to your storage, there are going to be 10 shareable links, you can set backgrounds, there is photo gallery, media player, and your customers can also be invited to other desktop as viewers, editors and manager. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $49. Here you are going to get 100 GB storage. If you need more storage, you can buy tier 2, which costs $119 with 1 TB storage. But keep in mind that this 1 TB storage is divided into 5 users with 200 GB per user. And then there is another tier which is license tier 3 with a cost of $199, and here the limit is 2.5 TB, but there are going to be 10 users and each of them is going to get 250 GB of storage. So if you want to buy Deskfirst from Appsumo as a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. After you log into Deskfirst, you will get this dashboard, and as you can see, you can now simply drag and drop your file or any folder here. So that's a great feature. You can simply drag a folder from your desktop to this page, to this web-based Deskfirst page, and that is going to be uploaded. So let's simply close this tab, and here is the preview of the dashboard. As you can see, there is the share option. So if you want to share your storage, obviously you can share your storage on Google Drive or Dropbox. You can also do that on Deskfirst. You have to click on share. And then there is going to be 2 options. First, you can share your disk. So what is called disk? Disk is this one. As you can see, it is 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀 disk, which means this is my disk. You can create multiple disks and then invite people to your disk. So for invitation, you have to click on share. Now you have to enter the email of the person that you want to invite. You can also add an optional message, and then you can also set the permission for that particular person. So if you want him to be viewer, editor or manager, and then you can send the invitation. You can also share the link of this Deskfirst or your desktop or your storage. For that, first you have to provide the description, and then you have to select on how many days you want the link to be expired. So it could be 7 days to 90 days. You can also enable password protection if you want. And when you want to see how much space you have left, you have to click on this and then click on desktop manager. Now, as you can see, this is 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀 disk, which is my disk. And then here you can see the amount of space. So currently I have 2 GB of space. If you click on shared with me, on this section, you are going to see how many desktops or disks are shared with you. So now you can either click on the right button of your mouse and all of these are going to appear, or you can also click on these quick actions. So you can upload file, new folder, new shortcut, new note. So let's try to upload some files first. As you can see, I have uploaded some files and the upload process was super fast. You can also see the upload process on this right bottom side. And as you can see, the upload process has fully completed. So it is also going to show you with a notification. On the left side, you can see all of the files that I just uploaded. And if you notice something, all of the files are organized exactly how they are going to appear on a desktop. So that's a great feature because this makes the whole process of using this Deskfirst tool super easy because the interface is super similar to your computer desktop. So now let's try to create some folders, and then I'm going to show you how to drag and drop your files between various folders. So once again, you can click on the right button of your mouse or click on quick actions. And then from here, you have to click on new folder. Now let's create another folder. Okay, so I have created 2 folders as you can see. So you can also drag and drop the position of your folder wherever you want, just like your desktop. So now let's open this folder. And a great feature of Deskfirst is you can open multiple folders at once, just like your desktop. So as you can see, this is test 1 folder. Now let's also open this test 2 folder. So as you can see, this is test 2 folder and this is test 1 folder. So this is amazing that you can open multiple folders at once, and then you can start the drag and drop process. For example, I want to drag and drop this image to this test 1 folder. So as you can see, now it has appeared on here, and for some reason now I want to move it to the test 2 folder, this one. So now let's simply drag and drop it here, and as you can see, the file was moved. So it is super fast and super easy, just like desktop. And on each folder, you can also upload another folder, create a new folder. You can cut, refresh, see the comments. You can start this folder, or you can also go backwards. So all of these options are super similar to desktop. You can also select list view or thumbnail view. You can see the directory here. You can also filter this list if you want. And on each file, you can download that file. You can even edit the image if this is an image file. You can cut, copy, you can rename it or delete it, comment, star. You can also see the properties. So just like your desktop, you can see the details of your image or any file using this properties option. Deskfirst also has their own image editor and media player. So for the image editor, you simply have to click on this right button of your mouse and then click on edit image. Now let's minimize this folder. So as you can see, now the image has opened. So you can adjust this image such as rotate, flip. You can fine tune this image with these options. You can use filters on this image. You can add watermark. You can draw something on your image, or you can also resize your image from this option. And as you can see on this bottom, you can see the folders that have been minimized. That is also a great feature. Now let me show you something. Let me upload a video file. So as you can see, currently I am uploading a video file. So the video file has been uploaded, as you can see. Now let's close this folder and also this one. So what I wanted to show you is that Deskfirst also has their own media player where you can play videos. So let's open this video. On a desktop, you simply have to click on your left mouse button twice to open a video. So that is exactly what I did. And as you can see, the video has opened.
About investing, a subscriber.
So you can also download this video. You can change the sound from here. You can go to full screen. You can also see the size from here. So now let's close this. Another feature of Deskfirst is that you can also create a shortcut. So if you click on this new shortcut, you can first type the name of your file and then paste the link of that file. So these shortcut features means you can host online files such as a Google Sheet file or Google Drive file on here on this Deskfirst interface with a link. So let me show you that. I want to keep this file or the link of this file on my Deskfirst desktop. So all I have to do is copy the link of this Google Doc file. And then I will come to this create a shortcut option, then type the name, and then I will paste the link on here. And if I click on create shortcut, as you can see, the shortcut has been created, shortcut to 𝗗𝗃. So let's open this. And as you can see, I have been redirected to the 𝗗𝗃 doc file. So this is simply an amazing feature to have. And then you can also perform some other actions on this Deskfirst. So click on quick action. You can add a sticky note. As you can see on the right side, there is already one sticky note. So let's create a new one. Click on new sticky note. And as you can see, here is the note. So obviously you can increase the size and then you can edit the title. You can also add various content to your note. You can also change the color to any color you want. You can also fold this if you want. So this way you can create sticky notes to be reminded about something or to write any topic that you want. So let's remove this. And then if I go to quick actions, there are also some other options such as you can arrange the icons. You can customize. So this customize option is amazing. As you can see, I currently have a background of nature. So this image was selected by me from this customization option. So let's go to this. So as you can see now, some images have opened from Unsplash. So this is exactly from where I have selected this background image. So you can also select any of this image. You can search for a photo on Unsplash. You can also select a theme from any of these categories. You can also choose the solid background color if you want. And you can also add your custom branding by enabling this option. And then you have some other options, such as you can rename your desktop, which is this Fahim desk. You can also reset your desktop settings. You can also see your desktop information from here. And then on the left bottom, you can show your desktop, or you can also show all the starred items. For example, if I go to this file and make it star, it is going to appear on this folder. So let's open this. It is now appearing on this starred files and folders. You can also turn on the dark mode from here. So here is the dark mode. And on the right bottom side, there is this recent desktop activity. So this is another great feature. Just like Google Drive or Dropbox, you can see the activities that are going on with your desktop, which means the files, or if someone is deleting any file, if someone is adding any node, shortcut, uploading file, moving file. So you can see all of those activities on this section. Overall, I think Deskfirst is an excellent tool that is a great alternative to Dropbox or Google Drive. Here you are going to get a lot of space with a very affordable price for a lifetime. And also there are so many features just like your desktop on Deskfirst. As a result, you are not going to face any problems using this tool because it has almost all the functions similar to your desktop. You can invite your team members, you can create folders, you can drag and drop files between folders, and there are also a lot of other features. So if you want to buy Deskfirst on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below of this video. Here are the features that you are going to get with this lifetime deal. And here are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. If you do not have a lot of file, I think the tier 1 could be enough with 100 GB storage. But if you want more or want more for your team, then you can opt for this 1 TB storage or the tier 3 2.5 TB storage. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. Let me know what you think about Deskfirst in the comment. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.